welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a mini braid, and honestly the last mini braid I did, I was so much in love with it, and so I decided to do another one. Although the last one I did was a twist, but this time it's going to be braid. So like I really love it because it boosted the thickness of my hair. So I'm definitely doing another one. And guys, my hair is actually 15 weeks post relaxer, but I am not ready to relax the hair yet. I just decided to extend it a little bit. Usually I always relax my hair after every 3 weeks. That is 12 after every 3 months, sorry, that's 12 weeks. So but now it's 15 weeks and I am not ready to relax it. Guys, you guys can see the growth is so much, so much, but baby girl is not ready to relax it yet. So I recently did a moisturizing and sealing. That's why it's looking like this. You guys can notice it's still shining from the last moisturizing I did to it, because I just took down a protective style that I did, and so I did a co-washing because I didn't moisturize my hair during that time. I was carrying that protective style for, I think I carried it for about 2 weeks, so I didn't moisturize the hair at all. So I did a co-washing and then I moisturized and sealed my hair. So now I'm going to be doing this mini braid. So yeah, sit back, relax and enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, for those unfamiliar with the terms co-washing, co-washing is the short term used for conditioning washing, or you can also call it conditioner only washing. So it is actually done like I mentioned earlier that I didn't moisturize my hair for 2 good weeks, so I didn't want to use a shampoo. So that is the basic term for co-washing. It is a process whereby you wash your hair without using a shampoo on it. You just make use of just the conditioner. So I had to use it because I didn't want my hair to dry off with shampoo. So co-washing also cleans your hair like your shampoo will do. It also cleans your hair and it keeps your hair moisturized, and it doesn't remove your natural hair oil and nutrients. So I had to do the co-washing, and mind you, if you are doing it, make sure you wash your hair like maybe a week before you do it or whatever. Just make sure your hair is washed and there are no product builds up in your hair, because there was no product build up in my hair. It was just there and it wasn't dirty, but I just had to do the co-washing. So yes, and guys, I did the moisturizing and sealing of my hair because I wanted to braid it and I needed my new growth to be soft, and so it's going to be easy for me to braid my hair. So which is why I did the moisturizing and sealing, and it really helped me. It was really easy for me to part my hair and braid it. And from here you guys can see, although my patterns aren't looking so perfect, but we move. So I usually part the back of my hair without using mirror. I don't know, I'm just so used to parting the back of my hair without using mirror, and most of the times it usually comes out well, and I'm glad. Maybe I'll try, but I don't know, I'm just so used to parting my hair without using the mirror. But for the front part I use mirror, but the back I don't use mirror. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I part my hair, you want to learn how to part your hair, on yourself, then comment down in the section below. Just say hi, I want to learn it, or you want me to do a video on that. Then I'll be so glad to do a video on that for you guys. So guys, the main reason why we are doing this mini braid, honestly, like, this mini braid has been my daily back-to-back protective styles, because I'm so loving it. Like, it is just I don't know, like, I'm just, you know what, because I don't know, it just keeps making me happy. Like, I just love the outcome of my hair every single time I do a mini braid. And yes guys, the important things you should know about mini braids is it is very good to retain length, like, and growth. It retains the length of your hair and the growth of your hair very well. And yes, it also boosts your hair thickness, and this is like the basic reason why I keep on doing this mini braid, because the way my hair is getting thick day by day, I just oh my god. Okay guys, another thing you should know about this mini braid is that it is very durable and versatile. Like, you can carry it for as long as you want to carry it. Like, it lasts for a very long time. You can carry it up to a month, and some people that actually carry their hair more than a month can actually make use of it, because you can carry the braid and you'll still be able to use your wigs and, you know, rock other wigs. Like, if you don't want to be looking the same, you can actually be using it. You can wear your wig on it. And another thing is that because you can carry it for long, and you know, we usually have our wash days, so it is something that you can actually wash. You can wash and deep condition. You can wash your hair and condition it while you are on mini braid. So yes, so I don't know, like, who wouldn't want to try this style? Who wouldn't want to? Okay, and yes, the next thing is that it is frizz free. Like, you don't get frizz. Yeah, you don't get to be, you know, trying every time to detangle your hair. So it is frizz free. It is frizz free, guys. Okay, so yeah, these are all the reasons why I've been doing a mini braid consistently. Like, it has really been so nice to my hair. And yeah, you can actually moisturize it, like, because it is easy for you to apply your product to your scalp directly. Like, very easy for you to moisturize your scalp and the hair as well. So yes, that will be all. I guess that will be all I'll be saying. I hope you are enjoying the video. And wait, if you are yet to hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Like, what are you waiting for? Okay, I'm going to give you like 5 seconds to do that, you know, to support this baby girl. Okay, thank you. So from the video you can see I'm showing you guys the hair that I lost. So but anyways, it is what it is. So right now I am moisturizing my scalp with my coconut oil, and yeah, that is what I'll be doing. I moisturize my scalp and also my hair and the ends of my hair. So guys, tell me, will you be trying these mini braids? Tell me, let me know in the comment section. And if you've been doing it, tell me, let us know, like, let everybody know how this mini braid is really important for us to be doing often, at least. Are you guys feeling this braid like baby girl is feeling herself right now? You guys can notice from the braid, like I made it loose, like loose braid, so it's going to be easy for me to lose it when it's time for me to lose it. Oh my god, no, look at, can you see the length of this hair? Are you feeling this? Oh my god, I can't believe this is my hair. It's giving me butterfly, guys. Oh god, oh no, see hair now, like see hair. Okay. Hope I'm not overhyping myself. Well, I am not, because you don't know what I've been doing to this hair. Like, you don't know. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you've not, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.